was nice, the party was pumping.
Hey-ya.
And everybody having a ball. Until the fellas started name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I hear a woman shout out,
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I see the dance people had a ball cause Billy Fountains get out. Get back, Gruffy, bash Gruffy, get back, you flea infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I man no get angry.
Hey-ya.
280 girls calling them K9. Hey! But they tell me, hey man, it's part of the party. You put a woman in front and a man behind. I heard a woman shout out,